As Russia is desperately trying to get better intel on Ukraine's movement and missions, they have placed a lot more Murom-P surveillance system all over the front line. This system can spot personnel and equipment for several kilometers range, but once spotted becomes very vulnerable. This has been seen as Ukraine has used drones to knock out multiple systems in recent times, as the system can only watch to see the drone homing in on the system, as Ukraine even targets systems within the Russian border to deny surveillance over. They target them all around, limiting Russia's capability and lowering their intel capability, destroying another system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.